ఫర్టిలిటీ హాస్పిటల్ ఐశ్వర్య ఫర్టిలిటీ సెంటర్ తన 78వ బ్రాంచ్ ని బళ్ళారిలో ప్రారంభించింది. బళ్ళారి సెంటర్ ప్రారంభం సందర్భంగా ప్రత్యేక ఆఫర్లు ప్రకటించింది. తాము అంతర్జాతీయ ప్రమాణాలను పాటించి సంతాన సాఫల్య ఆసుపత్రుల్లో నెంబర్ 1 గా నిలుస్తున్నట్లు ఐశ్వర్య ఫర్టిలిటీ నిర్వాహకులు తెలిపారు. బళ్ళారిలో ఐశ్వర్య ఫర్టిలిటీ సెంటర్ ప్రారంభ కార్యక్రమానికి గెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ హానర్స్ గా డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ హెల్త్ ఆఫీసర్ డాక్టర్ ఎల్లా రమేష్ బాబు, జిల్లా వీబీడీసీ ఆఫీసర్ డాక్టర్ అబ్దుల్లా, ఫ్యామిలీ వెల్ఫేర్ ఆఫీసర్ పూర్ణిమ, ఇండియన్ మెడికల్ అసోసియేషన్ బళ్ళారి శాఖ ప్రెసిడెంట్ డాక్టర్ మాణిక్రావు హాజరయ్యారు.
So I'm very happy that we are starting the 78th branch of Aishwarya Fertility Center in Ballari, and all the couples of Ballari, we want to promise you that we'll give the best treatment to you at the most affordable rate. And Aishwarya Fertility Center stands very proudly to say we help every woman to conceive and have a very happy family. And I congratulate the team of Ballari Aishwarya doctors and the staff that they'll do the best, and you are very successful, and we wish you all the best.
Aishwarya whole team in the fertility center, especially Chandrika madam, I was just talking to her. ಹೀಗೆ ಒಂದು 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ತುಂಬಾ ಡೌನ್ ಟು ಅರ್ತ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ವೆರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ಡ್, 30-40 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಅವ್ರ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಶಾಮ್ಲಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಐ ನೋ ಹರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೈ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಡೇಸ್. ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಮೈ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಟ್ ಹರ್ ಶಾಮ್ಲಿ. I congratulate all the team of Aishwarya Center, and we need in Ballari ತುಂಬಾ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಜನರಿಗೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಹೋಗಿ ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಸುತ್ತೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದ ತುಂಬ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಐ ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್.
ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ. ಇದು ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿಯಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದವರೇ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು, ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿ ರೇಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
I'm Johnny Edwindas. I'm the Vice President of Aishwarya Fertility. To talk about Aishwarya, we are almost 40 years old in this industry. So we started our first center in 1986 in Chennai, and slowly gradually we have expanded, and now Ballari is our 78th center which we have inaugurated today. Coming to the treatment of IVF, IVF is a very simple procedure where we take the husband semen and the female cow outside. We will be both inside the laboratory, and we make it embryos, and we transfer the embryos into the uterus of the female, and then we wait for a few days to get conception. So this is a simple procedure which nobody needs to have panic about how IVF is done, and we follow all ART guidelines. So there will not be any misuse of any gametes or nothing. So we are very simple and transparent people, and we charge very affordable to your patients. So it is for the inaugural offer we are giving free IVF procedure charges to their patients. So they will have to pay only for the drugs. Otherwise also the IVF package does not exceed 2 lakh rupees, which we ensure including all medicines. So anybody who really wanted to get an IVF done, instead of traveling from Ballari to Bangalore or Hyderabad, I suggest you can have your IVF treatment done at Ballari itself. We do everything within one roof, starting from IVI to the apparent treatments like PGD, PGS, which can be done in one roof. So my humble request to utilize the facilities which is available in Ballari for your IVF treatments.
Namaskara. I am Dr. Jyoti Patil. I am senior IVF specialist, head of operations. ನಾನು ಈ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯದು 7 ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಇದೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ. ಈ 7 ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ನ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ 78ನೇ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ ಫರ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆರಂಭೋತ್ಸವ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸೆರೆಮನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಅದೃಷ್ಟ, ನಾವು ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ ಜನಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೂ ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ಗೂ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು IVF ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ ಫರ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಸುಮಾರು 40 ವರ್ಷ ಹಿಂದೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಸೆಂಟರು. ಚೆನ್ನೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಟರಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ 78 ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೆಳೆದಿದೆ. ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಥ್ರೂ ಔಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಸ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. The first and most important thing about Aishwarya Fertility is we have 80% success rate. ಇವತ್ತಿಗೂ 1 lakh ಕಪಲ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ IUI, IVF, IMSI, ICSI ಈ ತುಂಬ ಅಬಾರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗೋಂಥವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ PGTA ಅಂತ ಎಂಬ್ರಿಯೋ ಬಯಾಪ್ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ತಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಸೆಂಟರ್ನ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿನ ಪಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ವಿನಂತಿ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಅಶ್ಯೂರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿ ಇನ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಕೋರ್ಸ್.